In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make really easy paper stickers. So this is a very easy way of making paper stickers and it is useful too. So you guys can make it in any design or any way you like, and you can create them and design them in your own way. So as you see, this one I just made 4 smiley stickers like these. You can make hearting stickers, smiley faces, or you can make candy or different emojis or anything according to your wish. So if you have like many school projects or anything, and if you do not find the correct pair of stickers you want, you can make them at home in a really easy way. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make these easy pair of stickers. So before that, I'll show you how to stick them. So I'm just going to be taking any notebook. You can take any notebook like this, and you could just take this over here and you could stick it like this over here. So you could stick many stickers over here like this. So you can even take it and you can put it back over here. So but it won't work after many times. So it will work for like about 2 to 3 times. After that, the stickerishness will be gone. So now without any further delay, let's get started and let's see about how to make this. So for this activity, I'm just going to be taking a rectangular piece of paper like this. So now I'm just going to be folding it in half to make it nice and thick. So after that, I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle and applying some glue. So I always use Fevicol because it's more nice to stick and be perfect. So now I'm just going to be sticking these 2 pieces of paper to make it nice and thicker like this. So the next step is that we're going to be drawing the emojis. So for this one, I drew smiley emojis as you saw. For this one, I could have drawn like hearts. So it's according to your wish. You can do anything. So first, I'm just going to be drawing 4 hearts. So you can make it in any amount and you can stick it. It's according to your wish. So I just drew 4 hearts and I'm just going to be coloring them in using different colors. So you can do it with any decoration as I told you. So I'm just going to be coloring in the first one in red. The next heart, I'm going to be coloring it with pink. The next heart will be purple. So I'm going to be using light purplish shade like this. And the next one will be a different darkish color shade of purple like this. So you guys can even put more decorations and decorate it in any way you like. It's according to your wish. You can use your creativity and design it. You can even customize it by putting your name or anything since it's your stickers and you're going to be using them. You can even give it to your friends and family members or to your siblings or anyone you like. So once we complete this, I'm just going to be cutting them out. So please do not cut it like perfectly, like around the boundaries. You cut it like around it like this. So if you're going to be sticking them in like white pieces of paper, you can cut it out like even like not evenly because it's going to be the same color as the background. But if you're going to be sticking them in color paper or anything else, you should cut it perfectly because the white color will be shown with the back side. So I'm just going to be cutting them slowly like this. So I cut out 3 hearts and now I'm cutting out the last heart over here. So the next step is that after we complete cutting this, I'm just going to be keeping everything aside and I'm going to be taking some tape. So you can take any tape you like. This is actually the reason why I'm taking tape is to make it waterproof. So these are actually waterproof stickers. So if you use waterproof stickers, it will be really nice. For example, you might accidentally spill coffee or something, water or something on them, and it will ruin the sticker. So if you use waterproof stickers, they won't be ruined. And it'll be durable and nice, so like after some accidents you won't like waste the stickers and they can be used for different purposes. So now I'm just going to be taking like a small piece of tape like this and I'm going to be taking these stickers and I'm going to be turning them in the back side and I'm going to be sticking it slowly like this. So please wait a second until I complete this. So now I'm just going to be sticking this one as well. So now I'm also going to be taking another small piece of tape to stick the other one. So in the meanwhile time, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now I'm going to be taking one more small strip of tape as I said. And I'm going to be sticking this piece of paper over here as well. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're just going to be taking a scissor and we're going to be sticking these pieces over here to the back. So if you have like any remaining pieces, you could just stick it to the back side of the figure. But if you have like anything remaining, you could just cut it off. So now I'm just going to be taking a scissor. I'm going to be separating these hearts since they're in a single piece of tape. Now I'm just going to be sticking it slowly like this. So if you have any remaining tape pieces like this unevenly, you could cut it using a scissor. So I'm just going to be cutting this one as well, and I'm going to be sticking it with tape on both the sides. So as I said, you can customize it using your own creativity, because customizing is the most fun part and you can do it according to your creativity. So now we've completed, so we have 4 hearts like these. So next step is that I'm just going to be taking one more piece of paper like this. So this is like the base for sticking all the scissors for all the stickers. So if you want, you can even use like a notebook for doing this. Like you need to have like a place where you have to stick the stickers. So that's why we're using this. So now I'm just going to be taking a small piece of tape like this, and I'm going to be sticking this on top of the paper we had like this. And I'm going to be cutting off the remaining part slowly like that. And if you have like any remaining pieces, you can even cut it on that part as well. So I'm just going to be sticking this over here. So we're applying this tape because like if we stick this pieces of paper over here, and if you peel it, then the back side of paper will be like coming out. But if you stick it on like a tape-ish or like a slippery surface, they won't come out. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking a glue stick. So you cannot use Fevicol or anything for this, because the glue stick gives stickiness to all the stickers. That's the main part of this craft. So please take a glue stick. So if you do not have a glue stick, you can melt the glue like the normal Fevicol. You can just melt it and you can stick it, or you can even take like small rice pieces and you can stick them over here. So most of you might have rice in your house. You can just cook them and you can put small pieces. You could just like crush them and you can put them on top. So that's the method they used in ancient days. So now I'm just going to be using this glue stick, and I'm going to be nicely just applying it on this piece of tape-ish surface like this. So once we complete this, I'm just going to be taking all the scissors, all the stickers, and I'm going to be sticking them on the surface. So once we stuck all the stickers over here, you just have to wait for a while. So now our sticker base is ready. So you just have to wait for like about 10 to 15 minutes. So after that time, like all the stickers will be absorbed with the glue at the back and they will stick nicely. So if you have time, you could just like take your hand and you just press on top to make it nice and stiff. So after we complete this, our sticker pack is ready. So we have like, I have this remaining part. So I'm just going to be taking one scissor, and after it's dry, I'm just going to be showing you how to stick it. So you could just take it like this, and you could stick it on any way you like. It's according to your wish. So as you see, it's not falling and it's sticking really easily. So you can even take it and put it back. You can only do this for like a few times, because after that the stickiness will be lost. So after we complete this, our easy paper sticker pack of easy stickers, easy waterproof stickers is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.